Hi all. Uh, so we had seen how to record videos using ShareX last time. One of the problems that we found in that recording is when you're capturing your screen, you cannot see your own video through webcam. And so there is one more application, APowerSoft, which is a completely free tool available where you can record the screen along with webcam also. So today we'll see how we can record videos along with screen capture and also your web camera using APowerSoft tool. So what you need to do is simply go to Google and search for APowerSoft. Okay, free screen recorder, and when you go here in this page, so you will find this kind of screen. So it's very easy. There are very simple steps that you need to click on start recording, then select the screen or the area which you want to share, and select then once the recording is done, save the video to your local disk. So it's very easy. I'll show you now. So this is web embedded application. You don't have to download the app or anything. Uh, you can start recording right within your browser, and if you want, you can download also. There is a installable version is also available. However, what I had noticed is when you download the app and try to record videos, then there will be a limit of the length of video to be recorded, whereas when you are recording from web application, there is no limit that I found in the length of the video to be recorded. And so let us see how it is to be done. So we will just click on start recording. So after clicking on start recording, you will see some options like this. So what all things you want to share, that's those you can select here. So by default they have selected the screen and system sound, and if you want to record your microphone voice also, then you can select this. And if you want to show your own webcam, that also you can select it. So if I select this one, uh, then the webcam you can see here in a small window, it is appearing here. So we can adjust the position where you want to place it, and you can resize this one. uh, yeah, so you can make it big and small, so like this. And okay, so now I'll place it here in this lower right corner, and I will start recording this video. So it will give this warning that maybe because of the memory limits with your browser, the recordings exceeding 1 hour will have some issues. So use the desktop app if your recording length is more than 1 hour. That's the warning they have given. Anyways, we can go ahead, continue recording, and here we can select the window which you want to share. So whether you want to select only window, the one of the applications that is open, or you want to share only the Chrome tab, or you want to share entire screen. So I'm going to select entire screen, and I will select the screen, and also share system audio. I will click this option, and I will click on share. So now it will start recording within 3 seconds. So initial 3 seconds delay is given, so that within that 3 seconds you can open the application which you want to show on your screen. And you can see this video is getting recorded now. So whatever I am capturing in the screen will be visible in the record. And now I will stop sharing, or I will stop recording here. So I will stop, and here you can see the recorded video that has got available here. So delay is given, so that within that 3 seconds you can change the open the application which you want to show on your screen. And you can see this video is getting recorded now. So whatever I am capturing in the screen will be visible in the record. And now I will stop sharing, or I will stop recording here. So this is how the video has got recorded. So now you want to download, so you can just click here on the three dots, and you can click on simply download. So the video will get downloaded, and then you can edit this with some app you want, or you can directly use it for your delay is given, so that so this is how the video has come up. So I think this one is a very useful tool where you can share the screen, and as well as you can record your webcam. Okay, thank you.